Probably sounds foolish. Years of writing lines, same darkness in the topics, getting lost in time. They say don't look back, but today is yesterday. 8 years on the same roads, begging souls stay the same. Is there no time left to chase another name, to earn more, dress better, celebrate the fame? Collecting smiling photos, different faces, same frame. Laughing in the albums, but the inside feels the pain. Time keeps casting out its line, with a fish caught in its design. Tell me, is there God at all, or is there no heaven for fish who fall? Time keeps casting out its line, with a fish caught in its design. Is there no heaven for fish who fall? Sleep with more bodies, breathe air and skin. Fill your memory with eyes before the dark sets in. Travel through the cities, be a guest in foreign lands. Let the smoke, the wine, the dance, and keep your fragile plans. Weak lungs, breathe in, breathe out, barely staying alive. Spend the gold we saved for years just to feel we survive. 7 years later, buying comfort with the last, leaving dirty arms behind, saying goodbye to the past. Time keeps pulling in its line, where the fish trapped every time. We suffer more than words can say, still no heaven for fish, they say. Fish are born just to swim and die, never knowing love or soul or why. Trees grow only to be cut and burned. Is there a fate for humans or a lie we learn? Holy books fall silent, God remains the same. Science speaks loudly, faith becomes a name. My religion lives beneath an old plane tree, between the devil and the God. I listen and I see. Time keeps casting out its line, where the fish caught in its design. So much pain, so